district suffered for 2 or 3 decades due to civil war conditions. As a result of that, the people and the area was lagging behind in every sector compared to other regions of this country. When you look at data, poverty level in Sri Lanka nationally is 4.1%, whereas it's over 11% when you come to Batticaloa. As a government, we have a heavy responsibility to develop this area so that people of Batticaloa can match standards that are available elsewhere in the country. Development doesn't mean only infrastructure development. Of course, it is infrastructure development that leads to economic development in the region. As the government, I must say, we have been able to deliver infrastructure development to a greater extent. There is a lot more to be done. I don't dispute that. You have to have a plan. You have to identify your strength as well as your weaknesses in order to move forward. I believe Skills for Inclusive Growth has very correctly identified an area that could drive the economy of this district to great heights. This is a district that is enriched with its geographical beauty. Beautiful lagoon, best sandy beaches, wildlife, and archaeologically historical places that are worth visiting. But unfortunately, we have not been able to utilize what we have been blessed with to generate income. That is why it is only 2% of our income is based on tourism. I must commend Skills for Inclusive Growth for their efforts to identify a way forward.
உருவாக்கப்பட்ட மஸ்கெலியா பிரதேச சபை தலைவரை தெரிவு செய்ய இன்று நடைபெற்ற கூட்டத்தில் பெரும் அமளி ஏற்பட்டுள்ளது.